Mittens was excited to wake up on January 2nd. Her owner, Jenny, had told her that today was Happy New Year for Cats Day, a special day just for felines to celebrate the new year. Mittens meowed loudly until Jenny woke up and gave her some extra treats and belly rubs. Happy New Year for Cats Day was created to honor our feline friends, since they don't fully understand the significance of New Year's Eve celebrations for humans. The day was founded in 2005 by Amy Bradman, a pet columnist and author. She felt cats deserved their own special New Year celebration filled with treats, playtime, and extra love. The idea became popular and spread each year, with pet owners and animal lovers celebrating their cats on January 2nd. This playful holiday is important as it highlights the bond between cats and their owners. Cats are the most popular pet in the US, with over 94 million cats as pets. They play an important role as furry companions who give us unconditional love, joy, and playfulness. Celebrating Happy New Year for Cats Day is a way for pet owners to strengthen that human-animal bond while having fun with their feline friends. People celebrate this day in many ways. Some throw their cats special parties with kitty cake made of tuna and catnip, new toys, and playtime with feather toys or laser pointers. Many also give their cats special treats, extra brushing, and belly rubs. Using the hashtag Happy New Year, people will post photos and videos of their cats playing and partying on social media to spread awareness about this fun and heartwarming holiday. Mittens had a wonderful Happy New Year celebration. She played with Jenny, gobbled up treats, napped in the sun, and got extra love and pets. Her meows and purrs showed how much she appreciated her own New Year's festivities. While we may never know if cats really understand the concept of New Year, many pet owners are happy to give their feline friends a special day of their own to celebrate. Happy New Year, cat! The year 2024 is yours for the taking. January 2nd is Happy New Year for Cats Day. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Happy New Year for Cats Day. Cheers!